Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Wazoo Gear and talk about the cachet belt that they sell. This also has the full adventure kit inside the Wazoo Gear belt. Comes with all kinds of gadgets. Again, have absolutely no problems at all getting through TSA with the cachet belt and the full adventure kit. And talk about what all is inside this cachet belt. Give you a quick little rundown. Inside the cachet belt, we have fishing kit, hooks, weights, fishing line, brass wire for snares. You got a wire saw, ferro rod, fire starter, microphone, micro photon light. It runs for about 18 hours. You also have the plastic water container, water purification, mini button compass, signal mirror there in the buckle, micro whistle. You have safety pins, a mini ceramic folder for cutting. It's tiny. 25 feet of Technora cord. 400-pound potential breaking strength on that cord, 25 feet of that. There's 2 zip ties, they're orange. There's also 2 feet of 1-inch Gorilla Tape inside there. I also added my own little add-ons to the cachet belt. I put a little big micro lighter in there as well, mini lighter. Also put about $40 in cash in case I forget my card. And also I've got a couple of BC aspirin powders for headaches, and also if someone's having a heart attack, like I said, you can help save a life with those BC powders in the Ziploc. Again, this is the cachet belt there from Wazoo Gear. Check it out, wazoogear.com. No problems getting through TSA with it all. Have a survival kit on your person at all times. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.